Hi everyone, Teresa Skripkowski here with the RSTS Group of Coldwell Banker here in Sarasota, Florida. And let me introduce this stunning art piece of a home on Sarasota's famous Barrier Island Bird Key. Now, 420 Partridge Circle has undergone a complete transformation from the roofs to the floors. A property that's been well thought out and intentionally designed to make modern luxury living still feel like home. Crisp white and grey hues are cozied with stone feature walls, elegant chandeliers and a large Italian porcelain wrapped fireplace. A large expanded deck overlooking the newly refinished pool is your private Florida outdoor oasis.